4 a.m. Yeah, but my neighbors love me. So on today's video, we're actually heading out of the country today. Here I have my personal luggage carrier. Good job, sir. He also drives a Volkswagen. Shitty ass fucking car. Brought that in through the airport in pieces. Ready? The chauffeur. Yeah. We brought all this and more hella tools through an airplane. And we built that shit here. Then he did. On. He put the handle on.
I put the handle on.
Walking around with pressure washer.
Hey.
Wait, I should probably get away, bro. Oh, fuck, my bad then. Alright. Cause I'm recording. Hit that shit, there you go. Oh shit, what? You can do it. Come on, bro, hit that shit. There we go.
You fucking kidding me, bro? You think I'm kidding right now?
I didn't even say nothing, bro.
Bro.